Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a table full of returns. So these all came back from Amazon. What got returned? There should be a slip of paper that tells me why, and we're going to see, is it really true what the customer said?
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
Okay, so I have 7 packages that literally all arrived today. So we're going to figure out what's in all of these packages and what got returned and see, are they actually returns. So let's start with one of the little ones. Something small is in here. Small and flat. All right. Okay. This is a little wallet. Okay.
$100 bills.
$100 bills, y'all. Okay. This one says it is overstock, which just simply means that they have too many of this particular item, and so it gets sent back because of overstock. And so it says overstock, slim wallet, US bill. So this is cool because overstocks, I usually am not concerned about condition. So I could probably just put this in a toy box or something on Hooked on Pickin and sell it that way. So this is good and resellable. So always not broken. Yes. All right. Let's see what's in one of these other ones. My guess is it's probably going to be another wallet because a lot of times they'll go through and clean out a lot of the same type of overstock items at once. Yes. Let's see if this one says overstock. This one says overstock as well. This one came from Fresno, California. Where'd the other one come from? This one came from a warehouse in Jacksonville, Florida. My inventory is just everywhere. All right. My guess, another wallet. $100 bills. Right. Yep. Same thing. Overstock. Where'd this one come from? Kenosha, Wisconsin. See? Told you. Everywhere.
All over the place.
All over the place. And so those were all overstock. I'm going to open this last flat one because my guess is it's the same thing.
Hey, you just sold 2 purses.
Oh, I just sold 2 purses? Awesome. If you didn't know, I have brand new purses on Hooked on Pickin. Check them out. They're amazing. As well as brand new clothing that are in lots of plus sizes I have. From like extra large and up. But I do have a few things that are regular size. And I'm going to be putting some more regular size stuff on there. Oh, look. Special. 2 for 1 special. There's 2 in this one. All right. So it has quantity 2. And it came from Charlotte, North Carolina. This is kind of fun. All right, so we have lots of wallets that I'll probably end up putting in a toy bundle, which are fun.
Now, did you send all those to different warehouses like that?
No, I sent these all to the same warehouse. They all went to the Joliet warehouse, which is the one closest to me. And then a lot of times it'll take a while for an item to post on your FBA warehouse or FBA store on Amazon, because what they'll do is they'll get it at that main receiving warehouse, and I don't think every warehouse is a receiving warehouse, and then they disperse it out to where they want some other areas to be so that they can keep that 2-day shipping and all of that stuff. So a lot of times I'll send 10 of the wallets in and I'll have 5 of them go live right away, and then all of a sudden there's this crazy delay on the other 5, and then 2 more will go live because they got to another warehouse, and then 2 more will go live, and then 1 more will go live. So if you get a delay in that, if you're an Amazon FBA seller, don't be concerned. That's a lot of times what's happening. All right, this is squishy. Feels like a bottle of some sort. Okay, let's find out what this is. I believe this is also a return. Yes. This is T-Spa bath salts.
Bam.
I'm going to look and see. Is there an expiration date on it? No. Why did it get sent back? Overstock again. So I can resell this. This is a bath salts.
There you go.
So there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. Now, I'm definitely going to look. The seal, if you look really closely, the seal on this, there's still a plastic seal all the way around on the cap. So it's never been opened. It's got a little bit of fuzz just because there was extra padding inside the bag. But so far, everything that I have pulled out of my returns from Amazon, I can resell because it's still in good condition. All right, let's see what's in this big box. A lot of times in the big boxes, they'll have more than one item. Or it's just a
large box for one item.
Yeah. All right, what do we got? Oh, it's a waterproof pet protector. Let's see why it got returned. What does the paper say? Overstock again. So they must have just been cleaning house. This one's from Dallas, Texas. Bath salts were from Kenosha, Wisconsin again. So, ooh.
Almost looks cut.
Yeah, but that's cardboard.
Yeah,
it's
that's
not
the
the
cardboard.
actual thing. So I'll have to open it and see. Yeah, the item is fine. No cut in the item.
I don't remember sending that in that way.
No, I bet it got cut by a box cutter. But this item is fine. So I'll definitely pull it out, inspect it.
I could maybe go fire sale.
Oh, yeah. People love their pets. And who wants to vacuum off their couch all the time? Not me. All right. Last item. So far, we've just gotten overstock. Maybe that's why I got so many at once.
Could have been.
So let's see what's in this really long box. It's very lightweight, but it's super duper long. All right. Paper. It is contact paper. Literally, it is paper. Overstock again. It comes from Concord, North Carolina. Drawer shelf liner, self-adhesive drawer liner. So this is floral contact paper to protect your drawers.
How much did it cost to get it returned to you?
50 cents to have it sent back to me. And the nice thing about all of these items is that I am not paying storage fees on any of this anymore. And so I have my account set up so that after 6 months, if it doesn't sell on Amazon, even with my price adjusting and all of that, if it doesn't sell, I have it shipped back to me. And that's so that I don't have to pay any long-term storage fees. And especially around just before Christmas, I like to have a lot of stuff shipped back to me simply because you pay higher fees in October, November, December, and even early January. And so if you can get the stuff sent back to you that's not been selling, that's always a good idea. And then put it on other platforms. And so I may decide to put a few of these things on my fire sales, make bundles with stuff on my fire sales, and just kind of decide from there. Or I may just donate some of it if I don't have a use for it. So that was all of the things that got returned from Amazon, and they were all returned for overstock. Now, some of the other conditions that I have gotten before on these little slips of paper is sometimes they say damaged. Definitely inspect your item because a customer can return it back to Amazon with free shipping if they say the item is damaged. If they just simply say, I don't want it anymore, or bought by mistake or whatever, a lot of times they have to pay for shipping to get it to come back. And so a lot of times they'll mark it damaged just so that they get the free shipping to get back to the warehouse and have the return. So a lot of times, about 50% of the time that I get something that says it's damaged, it's not. And so that's something that's to be aware of whenever you get a return. And there's various different things. Overstock and damaged are the two most common reasons that things get returned back to you as an Amazon FBA seller. So hopefully it was fun to kind of see what gets returned from the Amazon warehouse and how that happens. I also would get overstock things returned anytime I request a removal order. So just because you send your item to the Amazon FBA warehouse does not mean that it is forever gone and out of your hands. You can get the item back anytime you want. So hopefully it's been fun to see me do this and learn some info about Amazon FBA in the process. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. I put a video every single day for your entertainment. So hopefully it's been really fun. Hit that thumbs up button if you love this video. And also go to hookedonpickin.com. There are lots of fun things that I have for sale there, including 2 packs of clothing that are like shorts and pants and skirts. I also have lots of women tops for sale that are your size only, or you can buy a box of your size of tops for only $14.99. So check that out. I've got a lot of things for sale as well as toys, collectibles, gifts, and other things.